Once the part imports, if you're happy with its placement, you can just check the OK button. If you want to see the origin, you can press F9. I don't like the origin where it is, so I'm going to translate the part so that the top surface is at the origin point. Translate, select the body and selection, and I'm going to use the from and to selector, and I will select the top edge of the part and move it down to the origin, and I want to move it, not copy it. If I'm happy, select OK. I'll have a quick look at the front view. You'll be able to see the origin is now at the top surface. I like to look at the parts in isometric, so I will click isometric. Next will be the machine and stock setup. So we select mill. Just pick the default. I'm going to go to the tool setup. Pick a program number. If you just leave it as 0, it will always be program 0. Select the speed calculator from material. Just follow these selections as I have done here. We're going to change the material to 6160. So you go to the mill library, pick that. All these boxes are self-explanatory. Just go ahead and select them all. It will make your life a lot easier as you go forward. Going to stock. If you pick all solids, it will select all solids. Make sure the display button is checked. And then we're just going to adjust the stock material to what the actual material is. So it's 2x2 by 6.2. I make a mistake here. This should be Z.01, not Y.01, to leave machining allowance on the top face. You can toggle solid or you can leave it as wireframe. I like the wireframe.